this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the font size in Roblox Please Donate. Now, to get custom text, make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by making sure that you have a claimed stand, and as you can see, this is what my actual text is going to look like, and unfortunately it's not showing up just due to Wi-Fi, but as you can see, this is what the text looks like. Now you're going to copy and paste this. It's going to be in the description for you, and you're just going to apply it to your stand text. Now if you want to know what all of these things mean, all you have to do is go to Google and you'll be able to actually see the different font sizes and colors and what they mean for you. So as you can see, if I were to go onto pink color code, if I wanted it to be pink, it's going to give you this. Now I'm going to click copy and I'm going to go back to Roblox Please Donate, and I'm going to put it right here instead of 000. And as you can see, if I click edit, it makes pink the outside stroke. So that's the stroke color, and if you want the font color to be the same color, you're just going to change it right there and apply, and as you can see, it is now pink. So that's what both of those mean, and there's also if you want it to be thicker, if you want it to actually be a different font, or if you want it to be a different size, you can increase it or decrease it, but that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.